Hello, my beautiful friends. Welcome. My name is Christina Marie from BeautyAmaB. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, spoilers, giveaways. Today we are unboxing the Fab Fit Fun Fall Box, giving away one of these items to one of you. I will be doing a Fab Fit Fun mystery bundle unboxing for tomorrow's, and that'll have a giveaway in that as well, so make sure to check that out. Be on the lookout for that one. I want to welcome anybody who's new here. Thank you so much for checking us out. For all my return subscribers, you know I love spoiling you guys. Every month I try and do an eyeshadow palette giveaway. For the month of August, it is the Juvia's Place Lori 3 palette. This one is mine. I do have a brand new one for you. Look in the description box down below under current giveaways. Talks about how to enter this one, as well as my many other giveaways that I've got going on. Draw your attention to that 1,700 subscriber giveaway that's in there. That's open for a couple more days, so make sure that you check that one out as well. Giveaways are really easy. Be subscribed to the channel, watch the videos in their entirety. Somewhere in here is going to be a secret word that you're going to need to know for today's giveaway. I love FabFitFun. It's beauty, it's makeup, it's skincare, it's lifestyle, it's good for you type things. It is $49.99 a quarter, so it comes out 4 times a year. I do have a code for FabFitFun if you're interested in checking them out. I'll leave that in the description box down below. It'll save you a little bit of money and it helps me out on any future add-ons that I want to do. That code is just there for your convenience. I also have some FabFitFun starter boxes to give away. And how the starter boxes work is you give me your name, your email. Oh, I send that off to FabFitFun. FabFitFun sends you an email saying, hey, Christina recommended you for a starter box. Starter boxes are usually 3 to 4 items, $75 to $100 value. I mean, they're a pretty good deal. All you have to do is pay for shipping. Now, you must not have ever signed up for FabFitFun before or had a FabFitFun starter box before. At this time, FabFitFun does only ship to the United States, United Kingdom, and Canada. Basically, you sign up for the service, you have 21 days to cancel it, but like I said, I have loved FabFitFun. And as soon as you sign up, they'll mail you out your box, so it's not like you have to keep it more than 21 days to get your starter box. It's just kind of like a welcome box is at FabFitFun, and they'll mail you it out, and then you have 21 days to cancel. So hot in here. These lights don't help things either, but it's hot. Nelly, it's hot in here. So I thought I would do something different this time. Because you can choose as an annual member, which I am, you get to choose every single one of your items. If you're a seasonal one, you only get to choose about half of them, and then FabFitFun will pick the other half for you. Now, when you choose them, you can always do, okay, out of this section here, FabFitFun, you pick and give me the mystery item. So that's what I did. Let's find out if I'm going to like these items. First time I'm ever doing it. We'll see. So I do think I was going to pick this first one. So this is from Brighten MD. It is the Trophy Skin. Now it is a multifunctional eye, face, and neck tool all in one. Yes, please. This amazing tool activates as soon as you press it to your face and uses therapeutic heat to increase blood flow and circulation. It also uses high power LEDs to promote cell turnover and renewal, and sonic vibration to stimulate your skin and enhance serum delivery. So I thought that anything to help sounded cool to me. Now, this next thing in here, I'll leave it like this. I'll put a picture in here. This is a cozy scarf. It retails for $40. Wrap this gorgeous scarf around your neck for a beautiful accessory. We love how versatile the piece is, and it can be worn year-round and features a neutral cream and pale pink color combination. So this is from a female-founded brand. It is 72 inches by 16 inches by 0.2 inches. So by Lily Sadogi, here's some sunglasses. They do retail for $80. Kind of look like this. Here's what they look like on. Pretty cute. I do like that they block a lot of light, and I have a lot of light going on in this room. So protect your eyes in style. We always wear sunglasses to protect our eyes, our skin, and to accessorize, of course. This pair has dark tinted lenses with oversized tortoise frames that pair with anything. Now from Wish is their mineral milk bath. So it does retail for $38. Sit back, relax, and allow this indulgent yet effective milk bath to cleanse, moisturize, and soothe your skin, leaving it feeling soft and smooth. Glycerin cleanses, shea and cocoa butter moisturizes, while rose hip soothes. So key ingredients are the shea butter, cocoa butter, almond oil, rose hip oil, hydrolyzed milk protein, lotus extract, and glycerin. It is good for all skin types, especially dry skin, and it's 8 ounces and cruelty free. Perfect for this time of year. This is the Black Pumpkin Fresh Peppers. I do love their eye masks, so this is cool. Now this does retail for $29, and it's 5 sets. Hydrate the skin under your eyes with these single-use eye masks. They have a jelly-like texture that feels so soothing on your skin and really revitalizes your skin in just a matter of minutes. Pop them into the fridge for a depuffing bonus. Highly recommend that one. Key ingredients are the pumpkin extract, red algae, sodium hyaluronate, and rhodiola root, and they are vegan. And from Mud Masky is their Pearl Polish Super Glow Pink Clay Mask. Now it does retail for $59. Secret word is fall. And this says, we're obsessed with the mask because it delivers a natural glow in an instant. It's a clay mask formulated with white plant oil pearls, vitamin-rich fruits, and Australian pink clay to draw out toxins and improve both skin elasticity and cell renewal. Now it is a gentle Australian pink clay. This is 2 ounces, and it is vegan. Will I do this experiment again in the future? Probably not. I think there were definitely some products that I wanted more than the ones that I got. So I think next time that I'll go ahead and choose my items, but I thought it was just a fun little experiment to see, would I get things that I liked? Would I not? Most of the items in here I do like. I am going to give away that Mud Masky clay mask. Just for me, I have dry skin, and clay masks just make my skin extra drier. So I'd much rather give this away to one of you who could use this. So I mean, this right here is $59. Now that was more than what my box paid for, by the way. So in the description box down below is a Google form link. Make sure to fill it out. Only fill it out once. Make sure to put on it that secret word and also your YouTube subscriber name so I can verify, yes, you are subscribed to the channel. Now you can't get bonus entries, and how the bonus entries work is you only fill out the form once, but on it there's a spot to mark if you did the bonus entries. You can do one of them, you can do all 4, you can do none of them, whatever. But if you do mark them, make sure that you did do them, because I do check. So how you get your bonus entries is one way is go follow me over on Instagram. That handle is BeautyAmaB, A-M-A, followed by the letter B. Your second way is if you go follow me on Twitter, it's that same BeautyAmaB, followed by the number 1. And I'm pretty new to the TikTok game, but you can follow me over there. It's Christina Marie, BeautyAmaB. And your fourth way is if you share this video. I'm trying really hard to grow the channel here, and I can only do it with your help. So thank you so much for all of you guys who have helped me so far, and let's keep it up. So we can grow this bigger and better together. You must be 18 years or older or have your parents' permission to enter. YouTube is no way affiliated with this giveaway. This is me giving back to you to brighten somebody's day. The giveaway is open internationally. I am, though, not responsible for duties, taxes, fees, tariffs, customs, lost in transit, damaged, anything extra for it to get to you, and make sure that giveaways are legal in your country. Now let's have this giveaway go through September 9th at midnight Mountain Standard Time, and then on September 14th, what we'll do is I'll take from all the Google Forms your first name, first initial of your last name, and put that in to the computer. The computer spins it around, the computer picks it. I don't, so don't ask to win. So we all see the names go around, so there's no funny business here on the channel. As soon as the giveaway is over and I mail out the prizes to the winners, I do go ahead and delete all of those forms. Your privacy is very important to me. I don't share that information. I don't create distribution lists. I don't sell your information. I don't do anything like that. So I can't wait to give this to somebody who can use it a lot, because I know that I just couldn't. It would just sit here on a shelf, so I'd much rather give it to one of you guys. If you like this video, give it a big like. It helps out the channel when you do. YouTube will now go ahead and insert another video for you. If you have the time, I'd greatly appreciate you checking it out. Have a beautiful rest of your day. Stay safe. Take care of yourselves. Take care of one another. And I will see you soon. Good luck in the giveaway. Bye. Woo!